Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to download Capcut Pro on iPhone. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected. Now, go to the Apple Store on your phone. Search for the Capcut app on the search bar. Tap on the app of Capcut from the results shown here. Now, download this app by tapping on the cloud icon shown here. After some moments, it will get downloaded. In the Capcut app, agree on the terms and conditions to start using the app. You can log into this app with TikTok. It can also sign up with Apple, Facebook, email, and Google. Here, I'm signing it with Google. Simply just tap on Google and choose any of the Google accounts. After that, continue it. Provide your date of birth next. Now, it will make your account. You'll be able to see Capcut Pro written beside your Capcut profile. It will show you all the pro trials which are yearly and monthly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.